Hey, what's up? It's your dog, Randy Durrell, aka the Salad Man. And yo, hey, it's time for dinner. At least I'll show you guys what I got a little bit right here. I think I'm gonna turn the lights up a little bit so the picture isn't so fuzzy. All right, I got a little light on me now. On that overcast, overshadowing. But yo, I'm in here, to get the food. It's time to eat. The eating is on right here, so don't want to waste anything, but just want to give you a good idea of what I mean. Um, so this is the watermelon. Yeah, you know what's up. It's the watermelon fast, the 357, baby. I hope you joined. If you didn't, you need to get in the comments and let us know. Will it be the 3-day, the 5-day, or the 7-day fast? Yo, people are like jumping in here every day of the week, so it's probably gonna spill over the next week, which is cool. I'm down with that. So you just need to let us know what you like to do, the 3-day, 5-day, or 7-day. Only thing you have to do is let us know in the comments, and I am going to send you a watermelon meal planner. So like, it's not all about just like, yo, I'm just gonna cut up some watermelon and just be bored, right? And you just bored eating watermelon. I don't go out like that. This is delicious. And if you look at my previous post, you'll see that I made this, sliced up some watermelon. Started with that, of course, a gorgeous fruit, I may say. Then I added some pumpkin seeds. I added some feta cheese. Then I topped it off with some lemon juice. Oh my goodness, squeezed straight from the lemon. And I know you know how they say it's rude to eat on camera. I think that's one of those things. I don't think it exists no more. I don't. The lemon is just hitting in a certain way. It's YouTube channels and Facebook channels. The only thing that people do is eat. So I was saying, pardon me. But, just a little bit about the watermelon. I got started a couple of years ago, I'm still overweight now. So let's start right there. I'm overweight. But I'm not overweight like I used to be. Take a look right here. I'm gonna put that big boy right there. That's me at about 340. And so I lost about 20 pounds, 22 pounds during the watermelon fast. And I was like, yo, that put me on to something. Not only was I able to cleanse my system, lower my blood pressure, wake up better. A lot of the inflammation people talk about that. I had inflammation all up in the ears and stuff like that where I couldn't hear all that great. I actually had over 3 hearing tests in my life because I couldn't hear all that great. And it wasn't progressively getting worse. It was never that, but I had the test. So they wanted to look into that. And they found out no ear disease, hearing loss that's occurring other than the tube. I forgot what they call that tube. I'll put the name of the tube right there. But that tube in the ear, it just was it get inflamed with everybody if you get allergies. But this tube was simply not opening up. It was just staying closed. I lost some weight and that joker opened up halfway. The other half is the allergies. But anyway, I mentioned it to say what great benefits you can get from eating watermelon. Now, I grew watermelons. For anybody that's keeping up with the Salad Man, y'all already know. So I grew a watermelon patch in my backyard, 103 watermelons on the real. And that was a great experience. I'm definitely going to do it again when I get a fence. So I had to compete with deers, wildlife, all type of animals that wanted to come back there and get my fruit. Mm. Again, that's just a combo mixture right here. Watermelon, pumpkin seeds, feta cheese, and some squeezed lemon juice. And again, though, let me know when you comment, when you leave a comment in the comment section. So let me know you're doing a 3-day to 5-day to 7-day. I'm definitely going to hit you in. I'm going to put a print up of it. I don't believe it's really all that easy to just like click it and take a photo of it. That's why I'm saying specifically, like, let me know in the comments so I can send it to you. Like, I want to make sure you get the watermelon meal plan. I think it got some great things on here. This will be one. Some other things I'm sure you never heard of. So I'm gonna leave it like that. Want it to be a surprise, but I've done the watermelon. Well, the watermelon. Not my first rodeo with the watermelon fast though. I did one last year, but I think it was just like a 3-day. Year before that, I think I did a 7-day, and that's on my YouTube channel, Salad Man. Right now, I don't know if you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook. If you're on Facebook, it's Recent Randy Losing Weight. And definitely follow the page. We just started this bad boy. Salad Man cup. My dogs. But anyway, just trying to build a community because, like, let's be real. If I posted a video of me eating a hoagie, y'all want to get real with it. Like if I was eating a hoagie, like a big, I'm going to put a picture of that big hoagie just slobbering down with like oils and cheese, different meats and mustards and all that. Don't get me wrong, and I mean watermelon right now, so I wouldn't mind eating hoagie. But if I posted a picture of that hoagie, I could just post a picture. I'm going to do it as an experiment because I'm usually talking about something, hey, try to live healthy. People be like, hell nah. I'll be like, look, try to eat healthy. Let's try to live, our lives healthy, grow old, healthy. People be like, hell no. But then, that hospital visit changed a lot of minds, and we don't want it to change your mind too late, right? If you got the high blood pressure, man, if you got the diabetes, I mentioned to you guys, I don't talk about it a lot because channels get banned for saying anything that might be good. But I ain't got that no more. So, and if you watch the channel and you look at how I eat, I don't eat right all the time. Let me tell you, I ain't Mr. Perfect. Like, I dump on like a gang of wings with some hot, mild sauce. But I'll usually do it accompanied by a salad. So I'm going to eat salad before I eat the wings. And I'm going to try to eat the wings without any like fried rice or French fries or something like that. I did a video on that too. I mean, so, ultimately eating is our responsibility. And it ain't the easiest thing to do. That's why I'm trying to build a community. That's why I partnered up with Reese. Because Reese been talking about this for about 1.5 years. What up? On the real. He been talking about it for about a 1.5 years. And I didn't want to do it because I was already doing that Salad Man channel. But I'm like, yo, if it could help some people, because I had friends that died over just simply being overweight. I have friends that died simply from being overweight. So like that overweight shit, man. That is like the beginning. That's like the cursor to all of the other stuff, you know. So like, what is it, like 70 or 80% of Americans are overweight? Now, it's easy to be overweight. You could be 10 pounds overweight and that's not gonna kill you. You could be 20 pounds overweight and not kill you. But when you get up to like 50 and 60 pounds overweight, then it start affecting your vital organs. You know what I'm saying? So when you're like, you're going from like a blood pressure pill and then that blood pressure pill don't work, you done took it 2 or 3 years, now you on another one, right? I know, because that happened to me. When the doctor telling you like your cholesterol off the charts, and then you stop on the way home after you get the prescription filled and you stop at Church's Chicken, right? I ain't tripping because I did it. Everything I said, I did it before. But when the doctor told me like, yo, you got fatty liver, I was like, what's that? My liver fat? Like, damn, my organs are fat now? So when the doctor told me you got fatty liver, I remember sitting there looking at my doctor. Like, he is about 90 years old. He passed away now. Great doctor, though. But he was like, fatty liver, that's not a good thing to have. And I was like, oh, it don't sound like a good thing to have. And then he was like, 12 to 15% of people that get fatty liver develop this disease. I forgot the name of it. And I'll put a word right there, perhaps. Maybe I won't, because I don't know if I'm going to go back to edit this, because I'm just being real with you guys. And I was like, 12 to 15% of people that get this disease. He was like, yeah. And I was like, wow. And so I guess you're on another medication for the rest of your life. He was like, no, they die. Yo, he said, no, they die. And I remember the feeling I had. So I was like, one day I'm going to die. Maybe. I might not. It depends on when Jesus come back. So I like to leave it up in the air. Look, I want somebody to be like, so how long do you expect you gonna live, Randy? And I'll be like, damn, that's a good question. Not that it's a good question because I'm sitting up there trying to calculate. I'm sitting up there like, shit. I can't tell you because I expect to live until Jesus come back. Right? Like I look at it like this. I'm getting a good 100 out of the take easy. So and I want to, and hopefully I can, with the things that we know now about health. You know, ain't no reason to die over diabetes no more. People still do, and everybody got a different case, but I don't think there's no reason to die with diabetes no more. And that's coming from somebody that got to watch the YouTube and the Facebook algorithm. Yep, the wait like, what did he say? He got rid of what? What? So I'm just like, yeah, I think a lot of this in the Bible is saying, and I don't want to go all into the Bible, but I'm just saying, the herbs are supposed to be our medicine. But it was important for me to check in and tell you why I'm doing this, because I will go back to one thing I said earlier. I know people died simply from being overweight. A quick pill, only thing is the pills, you'd be like, oh, this is going to lower my blood pressure. Yeah. Never have sex again, though. It's a trade-off. Or you might get some type of cholesterol pill that they be like, you won't be able to taste spicy foods no more. You know what I'm saying? Every medication got like not just one side effect, but like 9 or 10 drawbacks. And out of that 9 or 10, 1 or 2 serious, it'd be like, including death. You'd be like, damn, I'm taking this to help me, and you telling me it's a possibility that could kill me? The way out of sickness is to escape what's putting you in the sickness. And if food is what's causing the sickness, you gotta change the food. And sometimes you even gotta stop the whole intake to really let that body do its thing. You gotta like just go on a straight fast, don't eat food. People don't like it when I say that. I'll be like, yo, hey, yo, Randy, how did you lose the 20 pounds? How did you lose the 30? How did you lose the 40? I'll be like, I did this and I did that. Then I fasted. And they be like, real quick, oh, I can't fast because I take this medicine. Oh, I can't fast because I'd be like, damn, I'm sure if you went to your doctor and be like, is this somewhere I could go without eating food? They're gonna be like, hell yes. I've been dreaming of you coming to me one day like, yo, doctor, like, but all you do is come for asking for like, give me more pills so I can eat more food. I mean, like, I had a neighbor that did that. Saw me in the store one day. Oh, this is like right after a fast. So I was lower than this. And as far as weight, and he was like, man, what are you doing? And I was like, oh, I just got off of a fast, man. He was like, oh, I can't do that. And his daughter was looking at me like, talk to him. But I was like, you sure, man? Like I'll do it with you. We could start out with a 1 or 2. No, I got this condition, this situation where I can't fast. You telling me you would die if you don't eat food. Trust me, if it's hard medication or whatever type of medication it is, they can make adjustments for you to not eat food a day or 2. I'm not telling you just to do it on your own either. But what I'm saying is, the excuses is what got your ass big. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just being real. But if you're watching me, you're here for the real. And I'm not like, yo, everything is your fault. And I ain't saying that. This food is crazy. This food that we eat, I was talking about the McDonald's burger, and I was like educating my son on it. Like, man, this is one of the things that will never rust to get old. Like, this should be in the Guinness book. You should have like inventions, like things that won't rust and deteriorate and last civilizations. A goddamn Big Mac. Like, so. Have you done a watermelon fast before? If so, how many days? You looking to try? Hey, we got it right here for you, 357. Get the meal plan as well. Let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to answer anybody questions, even if you're trying to get rid of the D word. Peace to those with recent Randy losing weight as well.